Yeah, we the human fair to confront realities in our life. It's nothing but pain and sorrow. Let's go.
When I try to close my eyes and think about the pain and sorrows in this world, will it unfolds up every day? Fear they come from relatives in our lives. The countless they closely do also. With some pleasure, fear, doubt, and place on. Pass into the world of deep and vast oblivion. Hence nothing is a worry for the mortal man.
Let's start with what is forget me. I can't figure myself the way I am, and not the one I used to be. Once I was a kid without my son of feeling. Was the day everyone loved and name me came and names with what about pain and rain upon me. Just leaving my this very dumb so but guess what? Ain't came close every fucking pain sorrows. I just leave it simply like my past. Hey, everyone making fun of me. Our kids are layering there. What I harder, what they told me strong. They came to care for me just to let me deal with. Okay, I mean you know whatever it is. Thinking I had someone who cared, but there was no with such feeling. Why am I supposed to live my life for someone who never ever care and think about me? The panic of fools. So it's wrong with the human role I'm about. Just only hoping that good days come. That's for me. I think good days coming. Collaboration with bear what they had closely do roll. So let go of humanity and life is what I see in you. Sometimes I think myself that I can live the rest of my life without them. It's the past that the reason is me to go through.
When I try to close my eyes and think about the pain and sorrows in this world, we lean on force of every day. Fear they come from relatives in our lives. The countless they closely do also. With some pleasure, fear, doubt, and patience. Pass into the world of deep and vast oblivion. Hence nothing is a worry for the mortal man.
I apologize for what I've done to I feel guilty this moment. It might be hard to be forgiven. I was not aware that I feel guilty today. Why I had spoiled the future deal. Now I hate my habits of feel the same, but not the strength to walk it out. I'm such a bastard, so please let me be the one I had to be, not the one they said I must be. Then I can walk it off, saying it out what is in my mind. Every human are bound with certain freedom in them. Freedom to freely flee away from stress and every pain. So just take your time and go for it. I will be left behind. No more pain, no more sorrow. Everything will be gone and forgotten, and we all will be set free forever. We're paradise of folks, fellas. Let's go for it.
When I try to close my eyes and think about the pain and sorrows in this world, will it unfolds up every day? Fear they come from relatives in our lives. The countless they closely do also. With some pleasure, fear, doubt, and patience. Pass into the world of deep and vast oblivion. Hence nothing is a worry for the mortal man.